Tired of watching your hard-earned money just sit there, losing value to inflation, while everyone else seems to be building wealth and talking about investments? Do you ever wonder how some people manage to save significantly and invest wisely without paying a single dime in taxes on their gains? If so, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into a game-changer for Canadians, the Tax-Free Savings Account, or TFSA, and specifically, how to set one up on Wealthsimple. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty of clicking buttons and filling out forms, let's establish why this matters. We're talking about financial freedom, about leveraging the power of tax-free growth to achieve your dreams, whether that's buying a house, retiring early, or simply having a robust emergency fund that actually grows. The TFSA isn't just another savings account, it's a powerful investment vehicle designed to help you accumulate wealth without the taxman taking a cut of your profits. Think about that for a second. All the interest, dividends, and capital gains you earn within your TFSA are completely tax-free. That's a significant advantage, especially over the long term, where the compounding effect of tax-free growth can lead to truly remarkable results. But what exactly is a TFSA? In essence, it's a registered investment account introduced by the Canadian government in 2009. Unlike an RRSP, where you get a tax deduction for contributions but pay tax on withdrawals in retirement, the TFSA offers the opposite: no tax deduction on contributions, but zero tax on any investment income or withdrawals. This flexibility makes it incredibly versatile, suitable for both short-term savings goals and long-term investment strategies. You can hold a wide range of investments within a TFSA, including stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, GICs, and even cash. The beauty of it is that the contribution room accumulates every year, and any withdrawals you make are added back to your contribution room in the following calendar year. This means you never truly lose your TFSA room, making it an incredibly forgiving and adaptable savings tool. So, why Wealthsimple? In a world of increasingly complex financial platforms, Wealthsimple stands out for its simplicity, user-friendliness, and commitment to making investing accessible to everyone, regardless of their financial expertise. They offer a clean interface, low fees, and a variety of investment options, from their automated robo-advisor service to self-directed trading. For someone looking to get started with a TFSA, Wealthsimple provides an intuitive and supportive environment. Their mobile app is particularly well designed, allowing you to manage your investments on the go. They've demystified investing, which is crucial for anyone who might feel intimidated by traditional brokerage platforms. Plus, their customer support is generally highly regarded, which can be a huge comfort when you're navigating new financial waters. Alright, now that we understand the why and the where, let's get to the how. The process of setting up a TFSA on Wealthsimple is surprisingly straightforward, and I'm going to walk you through every step. Step 1. Sign up for a Wealthsimple account, if you haven't already. This is your starting point. Head over to Wealthsimple's website or download their app. You'll click on Sign Up and provide some basic information: your email address, a strong password, and your phone number. You'll also need to verify your email. This initial stage is like setting up any online account, so it should feel familiar. Wealthsimple takes security very seriously, so expect multi-factor authentication to be part of this process. This adds an extra layer of protection to your account, which is always a good thing when dealing with your finances. Step 2. Choose your account type. Once you're logged in, you'll be presented with various account options. This is where you'll select Invest if you're looking for their robo-advisor service, or Trade if you want to self-direct your investments. For the purpose of setting up a TFSA, either option will work, but the process will slightly diverge after this. If you choose Invest, Wealthsimple will manage your investments for you based on your risk tolerance. If you choose Trade, you'll be buying and selling investments yourself. For beginners, the Invest option is often recommended as it provides a hands-off approach to diversification and rebalancing. However, for those who want more control and are willing to learn, Trade offers that flexibility. For this guide, we'll assume you're looking to create a TFSA for either self-directed investing or through their managed portfolio. Step 3. Select TFSA as your account type. This is the crucial part. Within the Invest or Trade section, you'll see various account types like RRSP, non-registered, and, crucially, TFSA. Select TFSA. Wealthsimple will then guide you through a series of questions to confirm your eligibility. You must be a Canadian resident, 18 years or older, or 19 in some provinces, and have a valid social insurance number, SIN. They'll also ask if you've contributed to a TFSA before, as this helps them calculate your available contribution room. Don't worry if you're unsure of your exact contribution room. Wealthsimple has tools to help you figure it out, and the CRA also has a service for this. However, it's ultimately your responsibility to track your contributions to ensure you don't overcontribute and incur penalties. Step 4. Provide your personal information. Wealthsimple, like all financial institutions, needs to collect certain personal information to verify your identity and comply with regulatory requirements. This includes your full name, date of birth, address, occupation, and your social insurance number, SIN. Have your SIN handy, as it's essential for opening any registered account in Canada. This information is confidential and used solely for account setup and tax reporting purposes. They might also ask about your financial situation, like your income and net worth, which helps them ensure their recommendations are suitable if you're using their Invest service. Step 5. Verify your identity. This is a critical security step. Wealthsimple will typically ask you to verify your identity using one of a few methods. The most common is instant verification through your bank. This allows Wealthsimple to securely connect to your bank account and confirm your identity electronically. Alternatively, you might be asked to upload images of your government-issued ID, like a driver's license or passport. Ensure the images are clear and well-lit. This step can sometimes take a few minutes, but it's essential for preventing fraud and ensuring your account is secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.